Okay, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a super quick video. I'm not even using my external mic. I have been, I kind of deep dived into QR codes a few weeks back. And the reason is we had QR codes through like QR-code-generator.com, whatever the heck it is, or one of those other million websites, and the company disappeared. So that screwed up all my QR codes. So I researched the best ways to do it. So what I ended up doing was actually creating a Python script to generate the QR code. If you want that, let me know. I can share that with you guys. However, I just found out an easier way, like the world's quickest way to create a QR code without going through a provider, totally free. You don't need to sign up for anything, etc. So, by the way, if you need any help with local SEO, e-commerce SEO, website hosting, performance, any of that stuff, website design, head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out. Enjoy the Discord channel below, totally free. It's a bunch of people discussing SEO, digital marketing, etc. So, how do you do it? All you have to do is open Chrome, go to the website. So this is my company site, Norzer.me, and this has been here apparently for a long time, and I just never noticed it. Right click, create QR code for this page. Isn't that unbelievable? Then you can copy it or just download it. So download it and call it QR code. Doesn't matter. Call it whatever you want, Norzer. And I'm not going to show you, but so if you're finding this video useful, hit the like, please, and subscribe, comment something. That's always helpful. So look, I opened it up and this is the QR code. I tested it and it works. So this kind of blows my mind because, like I said, I didn't even know that. I use Chrome all the time, probably like most of you do, and I had no idea this freaking this option was here, and it works. And it doesn't redirect to like, QR.fi, then automatically redirect your website. It goes directly to the website, and it's immutable, meaning it can't be changed. Nobody else can hijack the QR code, etc. So super quick video. Hope you found it useful. I had no idea. Again, join the Discord channel below. There's a lot of smart people in there, totally free. And if you need any help with anything, head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you. Have a good